Okay, this video is for anybody that has a Chevy truck. I'll link the ones that it affects in the description below. But it's the issue where the screen's black and you can touch it and you can hear things, but it's black. It won't do anything. No matter what you try, just turn it off, nothing. Turn it back on, still nothing. So as you can see here, I took off these panels, which they just come off with little screws right here. So you take off these screws, and I think there's some right there, some there, another one there, and then there's going to be 2 screws there, and then some nuts and bolts as well. And then once you get those off, it reveals this inner compartment. So you're going to want to look up into here, and there's going to be a blue cable. So it's not this one, it's not this blue cable, but over here, get up in there. So this blue cable right here, you're going to want to twist it, and then once you twist it around and make sure it's in, your screen's going to work. Hope that helps you guys.